Imagine this. Are you fueling growth or sabotaging it? You just crushed your workout, muscles burning, sweat dripping, goals chased down. Now you're winding down, ready for bed. But here's the real question. Will your body spend the night building lean muscle or breaking it down? It all comes down to what you eat before you sleep. One wrong choice, and your recovery stalls. The right one? Your body becomes all-time muscle-building machine. In this video, I'll show you the ultimate nighttime food for faster muscle growth, break down the science behind it, and teach you exactly how to use it to wake up stronger every single day. Why nighttime nutrition is a game changer. Let's bust a myth first. Muscle doesn't grow in the gym. Lifting weights breaks muscle fibers down. It's controlled damage. Real gains happen after your workout, during recovery, and the deepest recovery, that happens while you sleep. But sleep is a long, fast 7 to 9 hours with no fuel. Once your body runs out of amino acids, it may start breaking down your own muscle tissue for energy. That's right, your hard-earned gains, gone by morning unless you fuel smart. A strategic pre-bed meal isn't just about curbing cravings. It's about flipping your body into anabolic mode, the mode where growth and repair dominate rather than letting it slip into catabolism, where it starts tearing you down. The best protein before bed. So what's the solution? Inner casein protein. Casein is one of the two main proteins found in milk. Whey protein digests quickly, perfect, right after workouts, but it's gone from your system in a couple of hours. Casein is different. It forms a gel in your stomach and digests slowly, releasing amino acids into your bloodstream gradually for 6 to 8 hours. Think of whey protein like a sprint. It gives you fuel fast. Casein is like a marathon. It keeps delivering steadily all night long, and that steady drip of amino acids is exactly what your body needs while you're asleep. Multiple studies have shown that people who consume casein protein before bed build more muscle and recover better than those who don't. It's almost like flipping a switch to keep growth going through the night. Best sources of casein? Okay, so how do you actually get casein into your diet? Here are your best options. Casein protein powder. The most convenient and concentrated. Just mix 1 scoop with water or milk. Greek yogurt, thick, high in protein, and easy to pair with fruit or nuts. Cottage cheese, an old-school bodybuilding favorite, packed with casein. Regular milk, lighter in protein, but still helpful if you just want a simple option. These foods are all rich in casein, and the beauty is you don't need a massive portion. A small serving before bed is enough to keep your muscles supplied until morning. How to supercharge your nighttime meal. Casein alone is powerful, but you can make it even better with smart pairings. Here's how. Healthy fats. Adding a spoonful of peanut butter, almond butter, or a handful of walnuts slows digestion further. That means your body gets a longer, steadier supply of nutrients. Magnesium-rich foods. Magnesium is a natural relaxant for your muscles and nervous system. Foods like pumpkin seeds, almonds, or even a sprinkle of dark chocolate, just not too much, can improve sleep quality. Complex carbs. If you trained late in the evening, a small serving of oats, banana, or whole grain toast alongside your casein can refill glycogen stores and prevent nighttime hunger. So instead of just having a plain shake, you can create a mini recovery meal that works while you sleep. What not to eat before bed. Now, let's cover the mistakes, because eating the wrong thing before bed can backfire. Sugary snacks like candy or desserts may give you a quick energy boost, but they spike insulin, crash your blood sugar, and mess with sleep cycles. Greasy, heavy foods like pizza, burgers, or fried meals sit in your stomach and cause indigestion, which disrupts deep sleep. Caffeine, yes, even hidden sources like dark chocolate or green tea can keep your body alert when you're supposed to be resting. So the rule is simple. Avoid anything that causes sharp spikes, crashes, or stomach discomfort. Let me give you some quick, muscle-friendly snack ideas you can start using tonight. A bowl of Greek yogurt with berries and a spoonful of almond butter. Cottage cheese with pineapple or blueberries for flavor. A casein protein shake blended with milk and half a banana. A warm glass of milk with cinnamon and a teaspoon of honey for relaxation. These meals are not just effective, they're also satisfying and easy to prepare in minutes. So here's the takeaway. Your last meal of the day is just as important as your first. By choosing slow digesting casein protein before bed, you're literally feeding your muscles while you sleep. Combine it with healthy fats or a bit of carbs, and you'll wake up stronger, leaner, and more recovered. Now, I want to know, what's your favorite nighttime snack? Drop it in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe for more science-backed fitness tips, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. Remember, the gym builds stress, sleep builds muscle, so fuel wisely, rest deeply, and rebuild fast.